Let me show you all the ports that we are getting on these newest Samsung Smart TVs. So first over here you have your power port, so you can take the cable included, simply plug it in here, and this is how we power our TV. Then on this TV we also have a place for USB and also multiple HDMI ports. So see, you have one HDMI here, another here, and also here. Also we can easily connect antenna as well, so if you want to watch some local channels, so you can also connect antenna here. And yeah, also on these TVs we are getting USB input as well. So what you can do is you can literally take any USB device, such as maybe flashlight. So for example, if you load some movies in the flash drive, you can watch them from the flash drive. Or also you can connect any adapters, maybe like a mouse, keyboard to it, so pretty much anything. And then also we have 3 different HDMI inputs. So this number 1 also is for eARC. So if you want that, so if you want to connect HDMI, so plugged in here. So essentially using HDMI we can connect any device to it, such as maybe a game console, like a PC, laptop, or maybe one of those like a TV box, or those smart like sticks, such as maybe Amazon Fire or whatever. So as you see, you have 3 HDMI ports on these TVs here. And then finally we also have LAN input for wired internet. So you can also connect wired internet. By the way, these TVs also have Wi-Fi inside, so you can also obviously use wireless stuff as well on them. And lastly we have this common interface here. So using this slot you can essentially connect any paid services, such as maybe cable TV or maybe satellite TV as well. So and then it will directly kind of work with the TV. Okay, good luck.